let's start with our today's first question. Avni, how do we define product designing? Help us to define this field.
Right. Before I get to answering your first question, that what is product design, I would first like to tell everybody about what is design and what do we mean by design.
Okay.
Like design as a term, like very colloquially, if we talk about design, we associate it to something that is very decorative or something that is very ornamental. But design as a field is all about problem solving, and it is so design is used as a way. Design uses a methodology called the design thinking approach, which is used to solve any problem. So it could be a problem with probably a product that you're looking at. So it could, like, design, the methodology can be used across any problem solving. It could be used for system level problem solving, system level problems, or it could be used for solving problems which are very specific to a single domain or specific to a very single product. So this is the whole idea about design. And looking at all the different fields of design, when you talk about product design as a field, the field of product design focuses on solving problems related to products. So it could be approaching a particular problem and understanding that what is the product supposed to do. So it merges the two factors of what is the product supposed to do, what is the functionality that it needs to provide, with how is it supposed to look. So it's a aggregation of the two things, and it's not just about, so typically it's understood as something that is got a lot to do with how a particular thing looks. But in fact, it's a lot more than that, and it's a combination of how a particular thing functions with how a particular thing looks, and that entire thing encompasses product design.
So is it related with the usability of that product?
Yes.
Okay.
Usability, the functionality, the overall experience of using a particular product. So if, for example, you were to buy a cup for drinking tea, so right from the whole experience of the packaging of that, to opening that packaging, to using that cup, I think the next time even we can start observing these things. Is there a certain cup that you like to drink your tea in, or is there a certain cup that you don't like to drink? It feels uncomfortable when you pour. So these are the kind of questions that you ask when you're working on something as a product design.
Okay.
And it's an aggregation of how that cup looks. So how it looks is also equally important, but how it functions is also equally important.
So since how long this field has been there as a career?
Yeah. So if you look at I think design as a career that is booming so much has been recent, especially in India. I feel the boom in this, or like people are now learning the value of design, and people have now started looking at this as a good career to get into, which has happened, like that shift has happened pretty recently. But, product design as a career or as a field emerged way back when the whole industrial revolution happened.